Hi everybody. I thought I would share another one of those like cheap and easy dinners. I'm making one tonight, and what I have here is a pound of hamburger, and I got it all squished up with my potato masher. I've added some seasoned salt and some pepper. Excuse me, some pepper. Don't inhale it. Oh, I hate pepper grinders. If y'all know of a good pepper grinder, let me know. And this is going to be made with green olives, Kraft mac and cheese, and hamburger. Yep. It's something my stepdad used to make when we were kids, and I liked it, and I've made it for my husband. He seems to like it, but he loves green olives. Well, I think he loves all olives. So that's where we're at here. Season it with the seasoning and pepper to your taste. And I'm going to let this brown up. And then when this is cooked, I'll be back and I'll remove this from the pan, rinse it out, and cook the macaroni and cheese. I'm going to use 2 boxes because he will be taking some for lunch tomorrow as well. And then I've got to make a week's worth of breakfasts when I'm done with this. So I will see you when this is ready. Well, at least the meat's done. And I'm sitting here ready to turn off the burner when I should be turning off the camera. So I'll be back. Alrighty, so we're going to transfer this to a bowl. Don't mind the TV. My husband is listening to an AC/DC concert. All I'm going to do, guys, is I rinse this out. I'm going to fill it with water, bring it to a boil, and make my mac and cheese. So, you wondered where I went. Bring that to a boil. Got water all in the bottom of the pan. That's just from the meat. So yeah, we'll do that and then make it according to the directions on your box. And I will say, sorry, I tried this recipe recently with what brand was it? Bear Creek or whatever it is. The ones that make the soups and stuff, they have a macaroni and cheese. And I thought, oh, well, grown-up macaroni and cheese, I'll use that. It was not the same. So, I gotta use the Katie. I know it's probably all bad stuff. I don't know. But I wanted a little bit of home today after reading about Mount Baldy. Did you guys get all these storms yesterday? I know people are getting them today. I think it killed a bunch of critters. Belle came in with a dead squirrel this morning. That was not the way to start the day. Had to chase her back out of the house and then try and get the squirrel. It was terrible, and I think it's the one that I usually watch from the kitchen window. It suntans on the fence, so I'm gonna miss it. I don't want the critters dying. So anyways, I'll be back when we're putting this together after the macaroni's cooked. Okay, our macaroni is done. Add the butter. Oh, forgot to get the milk. Yeah, if you don't like Kraft macaroni and cheese, you probably won't like this. And don't buy it and think that you can store it for prepper food, because this cheese will turn brown in about a year. Take my word for it. Same with the Velveeta meals and the hamburger helpers. You don't want to be storing those things. Get this all mixed up. Get that butter melted. Okay, I just stood here all quiet, didn't I? I'm sorry. So that's all mixed up. Add our hamburger. And then add our olives. And that's it, you guys. You can taste it for seasoning, see if you want more pepper or anything, but that's it. Mix it up and serve it. You can have a salad with it. I think we're going to have sliced tomatoes. So I just wanted to share another like easy peasy, basically one pot. You do it like I did it. Meal. And the more, hamburger and stuff you add to it, the further it'll stretch. I mean, if you have a family, this is really an economical. My family used to do a big pot, like a huge pot of this to feed everybody. So there it is. So we're going to have dinner. And I will see you all in the next video. I might do the breakfast sandwiches in a video. I don't know if you all are interested in that. So dinner will be served. I will see you in the next video. If you haven't subbed, think about it. I have all kinds of random videos, dehydrating, canning, easy recipes, harder recipes, gadgets. So thumbs up always helps, and yeah, see you next time.